Hi, my name's Alex.
Hi, my name is Berlyn.
And today we're gonna make a popcorn snowman.
Inspired by the Frozen Lip Smacker collection.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door so you go away. Do you want to build a snowman?
Let's get to it. First, we're going to pour all of this white melted chocolate into the popcorn. I'm actually going to pour it by holding the bowl. Okay, that's it. That's it.
Next, we're gonna add the melted marshmallow butter into the popcorn.
Sticky. So sticky. So sticky.
Make sure you mix it good. We put butter in our hands so that the popcorn does not stick in our hands. Now you gotta use your hands to mix it up real good.
Now that we mixed it with our hands, we're gonna make a snowman.
First, you start with a really big ball that goes on the bottom.
Now we need the ball for the stomach.
Now you need a small ball for the head. So now if we want it to be like Olaf, we need a mouth, eyes, nose.
First we add eyes. We're gonna use M&Ms for the eyes.
Now we're gonna add a candy corn for the nose. Now we're gonna add the mouth.
We're gonna use frosting to draw the mouth. Okay, now turn around. She did a good job.
We're gonna use candy cane for the arm.
Can you give me one? No, put one right. With a piece, but there. Now I think it turned out really good, Berlyn.
We want to see the snowman that you build.
Let me know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.